Uh, the friends, welcome to today's lesson. Um, as you know, this is C.H. Narsaya, Senior Lecturer in English, HG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Today we are going to discuss about communication skills and life skills. Uh, third third semester students. This is one of the important chapter we are going to discuss. Yesterday we were discussed in the previous video. We were discussed about positive attitude, part 1. Today's is part 2, positive attitude. This is comes under life skills. This is one of the important units for the third semester students. Effect coming to today's class, we are going to discuss about positive attitude, remaining parts, uh, points. Uh, Objectives of this today's lesson: learn to react to people under situations in a positive way. Learn to react to people and situations in a positive way. Learn to look at people from right perspective. Enhance positive thinking and positive attitude skills. These are the things we are going to be discuss today's uh, video lesson. So, coming to next point, effect of peers on self and vice versa. Negative effective negative effects of peer pressure. We were discussed in the previous class about attitude formation, how attitude formation is cognitive and emotional or behavioral. How a person acquires the positive attitude, direct experience and social learning. The social learning comes under family, peer groups and modeling. And importance of attitude also we were discussed. The attitude means way we are thinking about a person, thing or object. Every person has the pretexted of attitude, predominant attitude, notion about thing or person or place. Especially in the formation of attitude, there is a lot of impact of environment. The growth and home, school, these are all very, very important. How we think we are in that way. Attitude reflects ourselves. The formation of attitude, we have cultural background and religious background also uh, plays an important role. Traditions and beliefs also plays an important role. Social environment is plays a great role. Political environment also it may plays an important role. And education and experience also one of is a part of acquisition of positive attitude or negative attitude. So we were discussed difference between positive and negative attitude. The negative attitude people always they are unpleasant. They make their environment unpleasant. They react negative always with it. They disturb the environment. The effects of negative attitude also we were discussed. The constant frustration will be occur with a negative frustration, negative attitude. Health will be damaged. The future will be spoils. Attitude is a self or formation self or peer group. Formation of is a social environment. Peer group plays very very important. A person can learn self or a peer group. So peer group, their classmates and their age group will be pays a lot of impact on you. So effect of coming to today's point, just brief review on yesterday's video. Now coming to about the effect of peers on self and vice versa. Negative effects of peer pressure. When you do not like a particular idea, or when you have no inclination towards a particular friend, it is obvious that you won't like to go by it. For sure, you won't like to go that way. Already you have such a kind of one opinion, particular friend. Obviously, you should not touch it, you should not go for it. But it is your peer group which you may compete you on doing something. You always compete with your peer group, or whether you friend you love or hate. In such cases, there are chances that you won't do well those things. Things you do not enjoy doing cannot fetch you success. You cannot emerge success. You cannot emerge success in something you have never liked doing so. If you didn't like on something, you cannot be success towards that. You have already your inclined notion about that. It's important that you do not lose happiness in your life succumbing to peer pressure. You don't spoil it. Many time it so happens that we are forced to lead a certain kind of lifestyle. We are forced to do. You have to follow these instructions. You have to follow, like your friends have force you to be something, do something. Due to peer pressure, you are supposed to do. Though you are not interested to go movies, your peer group pressures to. Why can't you watch movie? Your group forces to be intoxicate. They forced to be smoke. They forced to be take alcohol, some etc. Only that will happen due to only peer pressure. Many teenagers who experience great pressure, every teenager, that age of adolescents, teenagers, they have a lot of great pressure from their peer group. That forces them to take drinking. Everyone, hey, this nothing will happen. It's peer pressure is the cause of habituating drinking, formation of habit, drinking a habit formation. Peer pressure can lead to loss of individuality also. They force and persons, they damages the individuality. Extreme peer pressure may lead you to follow that. You should follow. You have to do it. What happens to a peer feel right. Whatever they feel, they are right. They forced to be do it. Their pressure may compel you to go by everything they are right. We are right, we are telling you have to do it. Peer pressure is the human tendency to join the bandwagon. Peer pressure is the tendency of bandwagon in which the person loses his original way of looking at life. The person, due to peer pressure, a person cannot think about original way of his life. They are forced to be think themselves. So positive, there are certain positive effects also there with peer pressure. Let us discuss about the positive pressures. Some pressures, peer pressures also are there. Not only the negative, there are some certain sort of peer pressures are there. Positives are there. Peer pressure is not always bad. It can help you to analyze yourself and contemplation, your ways of life. It is ways of life. Some of the practices that the masses follow may actually teach you the way of life living, how we have to live, what is right, what is wrong. Some morals sometimes you may learn from peer pressure. You may change yourself for the better, looking at the others do. You change it, your others are doing good, you do it. Due to peer pressure, you may change to think of it better way. Can help you to bring about a positive changes in your way of thinking. If you can pick selectively, peer pressure can actually result in a positive change in your way of life. Pick selectively. If the peer group is good, if you select a good peer group, peer pressure may be in the positive. Actually, the result also in the positive. So your life will be successful. Knowing what the masses follow exposes you to the world outside your home. Masses are what they are following, how people are following, what are the rules and what are the morals. You are above from the home. You learn something about the society, the good way. You understood that the things going on around you. You can understand what was happening outside. The exposure to peer pressure gives you think about their tastes, their outlooks towards the life. Next, coming to next point, it gives you a chance. It gives you a chance to choose the best from what is the masses to do. If you fortunate to get a good peer group, your peers can play a vital role in the shaping of your personality. Of course, lucky, everyone cannot get it possible. Getting a good peer group, your life will be shapen. Your life will be happy. You can mold their way of looking. The way of looking life may influence you to change for betterment. Your peer group may actually pursue you to bring about a constructive change for the betterment of society, betterment. It leads you to make a right choices in your life. So better to think of it. Some of your friends may be close friends. They do not pressurize you. Think they rather inspire you change by yourself. Sometimes they may not be change you. So actually you have to pursue them. It gives you a chance to choose the best friends. Knowing that of only the friends, good friends is very, very important. Next, coming to next point. Teenage peer pressure. Coming to next point, teenage peer pressure is the next topic. Teenage is that phase of life when you are exposed to the world outside. You are you should your relation should be widened with the people outside the people, from your home, from your parents. The teenage peer pressure is very, very lot in this age. Especially in the adolescence age, teenage peer pressure is more. There are the years when you spend most of your time with your friends. Teenage is the phase of beginning to becoming independent life. As to the people feel in this life they will be independent. They feel that they know everything. They are right in everything. They feel independent life they tries to lead. The years of forming principles shapes personality, own self. People around you are to influences you. The some years, these years will be personal shape in you. The people, those who are living around you,
They will influence you, shaping your personality, your behavior, your future also. However, the effect of the influences of the masses is greater during your teenage. The people, the mass, the people will be affected in the greater part in your teenage. That's the influences is more. Parents have a vital role to play during this stage of person's life. Parents has to take the challenge, and they have to be pay attention towards formation of their children's attitude. Parents and the teachers need to be careful while dealing with the teenagers. They have to be take care the dealing with the teenagers. They have to be cautious, as they are most susceptible succumb to peer pressure during these years of their life. During years of their friendship will be widened, the relationship will be widened, strengthened, and teenage individuals need to be taught to distinguish between good and bad. These teenagers should know what is good and what is bad. If the teenage peer group is good, they will learn the good things. If the teenagers will be bad group, they learn the bad things. They should know the what is good, what is bad. Boozing in the teenage years or bunking car, many things are involving the unwanted things. That is a negative peer group. They are encouraging towards the education. That is the positive factor. So factors that is very very important. The strong social factors. So a strong support from family and ability to difference between positive and negative. This time family has to give support the teenagers how they have to mold their life in a positive way. Need for change of attitude. Attitude can be changed if we differentiate negative attitude from a positive attitude. Positive attitude can bring positive changes in life. It is different to change, very it is difficult to change the attitudes, but it is some effort can be done to change our attitude. It is called life response. Coming to positive to negative, negative to positive is called, that is called a life response. The factors influencing attitudes, you know that social factors. Social factor is very very important, and direct instruction also is a one fact. Social factors are there are many. Direct instructions also they'll change. Family also change is a cause of influencing their attitude. Social society will influence. Direct instruction also change attitude. Family can change the attitude of person. Their prejudice also be changes in the attitude. The personal experience also will cause of formation of attitude. The media also made a lot of great impact on the people to make the positive attitude. Educational and religious institutions also makes play a good role, a greater role, the formation of attitude. Physical factors, physical factors also will be play a role. So economic status also, the person's status also be formation. Those who are the people, those who are the students, so those who grow bought and born up in the slum area, there maybe there most of the that type of students will have negative attitude. Those people, those who are below middle class, upper middle class, and they try to pursue that, they try to learn the positive attitude. This is the one random idea, not economical status. A person will having with lot of economical problems. How a person will that develops in the positive attitude. It's a very difficult attitude. Physical factors also, those who are suffering from physical disease plays a greater role in that. Next, ways of changing attitude here. Ways of changing attitude is very very important. Uh, a new formation will change the attitude. New information will be change the attitude. The persons may be with lack of information, they may be form the negative attitude. Negative attitudes are mainly formed owing insufficient information. That is the main cause. Attitudes may change through direct experience also. If a person maybe have direct experience, they will be their attitude will change. If a person may be having negative attitude with other person, if the person has a direct interaction with him after having a talk with him, after having a word with him, he may change his attitude towards the previous. He may change negative to positive. This is also direct experience is one plays great role of changing attitude. Attitude can be changed by resolving discrepancies between attitude and behavior. These problems also solving. We can you can change the things also. Next, change of attitude can some through the persuasion of friends and or peer groups. Change of attitude, that is also important. Attitudes may change through legislation. Legislation fails also. Something people, those who are riding, those who are involving in the horse riding, bike riding competitions, and clubs, especially clubs, those who are involved, government made a legislation, government made a act to to abolish this system, especially the clubs, those who are playing cards, that now the attitude change. People are not involving right now. Hence, as well as government prohibited the many things, how to change their attitude. So these are things you have to be changed. These are very very important to be changed. Positive attitude, and these are also very very important ways to be changed. Positive attitude and negative attitude. I would like to give a small example. Positive attitude is one part and negative at the other side. Individuals who have the positive attitude will pay attention to the good rather than bad in people, situations, events. The same way, the person having a negative attitude, people with a negative attitude ignore good and pay attention to the bad in the people. They always think about bad and bad things, situations. Coming to next point, positive attitude are rewarded always. Negative attitude punished in order to discourage the same actions in the future. Negative attitude. Individuals encouraged to do the same thing in the future, but it is discouraged in the positive. In the discouraged in the negative. In the positive, coming to positive, if we think positive thoughts, we will surely experience such emotions as joy, love, gratitude, peace, and hope. This is coming to positive attitude. Coming in the same way in the negative, if we think the negative thoughts, will be definitely have negative feelings such as anger, disappointment, irritation, envy. Next, having a positive attitude means a person believes everything happens for the best in the end, best of the end. The negative attitude person with the always negative attitude tends to be believe in the best days in the past. There is nothing to do, look forward, and considers it's a waste of time for energy and doing the present. They always think about past is good, present is not good. It is an optimistic approach, positive way, optimistic approach for person to achieve good results. But it is a pessimistic mindset for a person who is not capable handling critical issues. This failure always fail. Coming to the positive attitude, it can achieve long-term goals. The positive attitude achieve long-term goals.
and time management also there. But coming to the same the negative attitude person, it can achieve some initial goals but not for the long term goals. Coming to positive in the way, it is a process of solving problems in the positive. It is a negative thinking people, it is a process of looking at the problems. They think about always problems. A person with a positive attitude way of attention to the virtues of others. In the negative thinking person, excuse me, a person with a negative attitude pays attention to the other people of shortcomings. These persons always see opportunities. Positive thinking people always think about opportunities. Negative thinking people persons only for limitations. It's only enough. This is the next coming to next point. Attitude is key to success in personal and professional lives. Yes, it is sure that the person having positive attitude, he will be success in the positive professional lives and personal lives. Attitude determines how you live in your life. In your life, a positive attitude makes you happier and more resistant. It's a very very important. Um, Relationships also maintained. It improves your relationships and it even increases your chances of success. The way your endeavor, how you are working, it improves your chances to success. One of the best ways to be increase your chance of success in all areas of our life to develop a positive attitude. Our mind is the main thing is whether if you think so is a positive I can succeed, you can succeed. If I cannot, if your mind is the biggest, your attitude is the decides you whether you success or failure. Attitude is the biggest teacher for you. Strategies to be enhanced. Today, let me tell that how to what sort of strategies we have to take to enhance the positive attitude among the adolescent group and the teenagers and the people, those who think about. Here I would like to say one instance, the persons, if I show a two glasses filling water, both are half filled, I show two persons. I show half filled water glasses, transparent glasses. First person I asked what is it showing. The person who is having positive attitude, this glass is half filled. The person having positive attitude, he feels about always filling. If I ask the person with having the negative attitude, his response may be this glass is half empty. Always, the negative thinking people are always thinking about the negative, the emptiness, but don't feel about the positive. Focus on the present. How we have to be strategies we have to improve. The present is important. Why we have to think about past and future now? Do it. Use the positive language. The person use always positive language. If a positive attitude person asks about the one person about results, how much percentage you are scored? Which this the same thing if a negative attitude person asks the same student, how many subjects you are failed? Thinking always emptiness or negativeness. So while the practice always positive. Use positive language always. Mix with the positive people. Mingle with the positive people, I am telling them. Consider your strengths. Better to know your strengths. If you go live with negative people, you will become as negative attitude thinking person. Channel the stress, channelize your stress. Don't think about the past. Consider, think of the positive and facing the challenges. Contribute in a meaningful way. Accept when things aren't perfect. If you were not positive sometimes, you accept, you admit it. Share your experiences with others. List your success. Celebrate your success. It's a leads to positive way. Give yourself rewards. Okay, I'm good. Did well. I got good first rank. This is the way you good. Give rewards yourself and fuel your imagination. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm doing good. I'm doing better. If we keep learning and refuel and re-energize, energize is very important. Be great. You always be great. But remember that the channel unconditional love. Don't accept anything from you. Love your friends. Show your empathy for friends, but didn't expect the same. Identify both the positive and the negative. Same way, have a goal is important. Very very important. Accept when things aren't not perfect. So these are the ways to be enhance the positive thinking. Next, attitude and body language is the next point. Body language, conscious, unconscious movements in the positive way, which without knowing we express whether we are having positive attitude or negative attitude with our body language. We came to know the attitudes and feelings are communicated always. We should not hide it in ourselves. Body language is defined as non-verbal communication between individuals and group to group, individual to individual. This is the important. Our gesture movement and lip movement, body language is very very important. Study the people, the communicate the face to face. If you study the how they are feeling, the spoken, how they are giving respect to others, how you are treating the others, very important. God, it's a very very important. Language guides the limited merely body position. Today, this has assumed the much important. The body language is very very important nowadays. It has a lot of spheres of the life. Positive body language makes you success. Having positive body language. None of us survive in the professional area without positive body language. Personal lives and the world. If anyone wants to success in the personal life or business life, the professional life, in general, the body language should be in the positive way. Not only the during the normal conversation, but also during formal discussions, lectures, groups discussions, panel meetings. Proper body language is very very important. Convey the right message to be received. We have to understand more about the people feelings and meanings. This is very very important. So next, what is body language? We have to discuss. Body language is more than body positive and movements. Body language is not just how we hold and move our bodies. Body language is potentially encompasses how we position our bodies. Bodies is important. Our closeness and the space between the people to people is also body language. How this is changes. Our facial expressions also is a body language. Our eyes especially and how our eyes move and focus on is very very important. How we touch ourselves and others is also positive body language. If the person rowdy touches in the different way, if a positive way, the body language in the friendly way, that is other sort of touching. Cigarettes, spectacles and clothing also it will make those who just it's a one negative body language. Using spectacles is a very we can show our body language. Clothing also, clothing is a different the positive clothing and the negative clothing. Using formal dresses is a positive body language. Using casual dresses is a negative body language people they wear. Breathing Also, breathing also very important. If the person takes a long breath, that is a negative attitude. The noticeable physical features effects also very there. Here, it is a very important. Posture, gestures, body movements, facial expressions, eye contact is very important. The following is involving the actions in our body parts. Posture, gestures and body movements, facial expressions, eye contact. It doesn't not have the grammar, body language. It doesn't not have the words, but we have to express the body language. It is interpreted the bodily and of the people. Here I would like to give some bodily parts about things, the following important things, the posture after completion. These are the signals and things are also there. Nana, 35 minutes. No. This is we have to be think of it. Here, signal and parts of the body is we are going to discuss. Is continuing. అయిపోయిందా అంతే ఎంతసేపు అయింది ఓకే రైట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ let me tell you some bodily parts and their expressions. So look at right signal in parts of the body, possible meaning I would like to say. Looking right, eyes, or looking eyes at our eyes, creating and fabricating, guessing, lying, storytelling also. Looking right is means eyes a person shows, creating, fabricating, guessing, lying, storytelling. Next, look at the left eyes, recalling, remembering and retrieving fact. This is a positive act. Looking right up, the visual eyes, we are thinking about eyes feelings, visual imagination and fabrication and lying. Looking right sideways, imagining sounds. Looking right, imagining sounds. And looking left and up, recalling, imagining and truthfulness. Looking left sides way, recalling and remembering sounds. And looking left down, self-talking. Looking self, this means you are self-talking and rationalizing. Direct eye contact, honesty. Direct eye contact means honesty or faked honesty also when sometimes speaking. Direct eye contact is also affectionate, interest, affectionate, interest and attraction also. Eye contact. Widening eyes, interest, appeal and invitation. Rubbing eyes, disbelief. If a person rubs, they disbelief. And upset also, tiredness also. Eye strubbing, eye strub, it is also frustration. And people dilated, it means attraction and desire. Next, blinking frequently, excitement and pressure. If a person always blinking his eyes, he is feeling anxiety and frustration. Both feelings are there. Okay, blinking eyes, blinking infrequently also varies. Eyes, eyebrow rising, means greeting. A person may be eyebrows rises, greeting and recognition, acknowledgement. Winking eyes, friendly and acknowledgement. Next, coming to mouth, pasted mouth, faked smile, tight-lipped mouth, secrecy and withheld feeling. Twisted smile, mixed feelings of sarcasm. Dropped jaw, this is a faked smile. Next, smile, head tilted, playfulness, teasing, coy and looking up. Bottom lip, jutting knot, is upset. Bottom lip.
This is called. Next, laughter. Laughter mouth, relaxation. Forced laughter, nervousness and cooperation. Biting lip, tension. Biting lip is mouth tension. Teeth grinding, tension also, suppression. Chewing gum, tension and suppression. Smoking, self-comforting. Chewing pen or pencil, self-comforting. Pursuing lips, thoughtfulness or upset. Tongue poke, disapproval. Rejection. Hand clamped is a suppression, holding back, shock also. Mouth. Nail biting, frustration and suppression. Head nodding, agreement. Slow head, these are the many things are there. Let me to coming to head and face. Crossed arms, defensiveness and reluctance. Next, gripping own upper arms, insecurity feeling. Okay, head shaking, disagreement. These are the many things are there. Coming to arms, arms are one arm cross body, nervous. Palm up and open hands, submissive and truthful and honest. Arms and hands covering, nervousness. These are also nervousness. About the arms, all many of the gestures about nervousness, arms. Next, hand on heat. This is seeking of the believed. Next, coming to next, hand and clamped, suppression, shock or mouth. These are also many things are there. You can get the points, a lot of points. Let me tell you something about my friends. Next, here I would like to mention, tell you a story, beautiful story about the things are there. One beautiful story about negative thinking people. Negative thinking people, small instance I would like to tell you. Here, a long time ago, a girl named Lily got married and went to live with her husband's and mother-in-law. In a very short time, Lily found she could not get along with her mother-in-law at all. She doesn't want to live with mother-in-law. Lily was engaged by many her mother-in-law's habits she doesn't like. In addition, she criticized Lily constantly. She doesn't like her mother-in-law's habits. All the anger and unhappiness in the house was causing only Lily's poor husband. Only the husband is the cause for the problem. Lily decided to do something about it. Lily went to see her father's good friend, Mr. Honk, who sold herbs. The person sold herbs. She told him the situation and asked for some poison so that she could solve her problem once and for all. She wants to decided to kill her mother-in-law. Mr. Honk thought for a while and finally said, Lily, I will help you to solve your problem, but you must listen to me and obey what I tell you. He asked you that. It's a story here, what I tell you. So, you can't use a quick acting poison. You should not supposed to use quick acting poison to get rid of your mother-in-law. Why? Because if you give the poison quick acting, that will kills because that would cause people to becoming suspicious of you. Therefore, will give you a number of herbs that will slowly build up a position in her body. Poison build up. Every other day, prepare some delicious meal and put a little of their herbs in her serving. Prepare a delicious food and serve that herbs. Now, in order to make sure that nobody suspects you, why? Because you are giving providing this delicious food. So it's when she dies, you must be very careful to act very friendly towards her. So you have to be um, behave friendly. Don't argue with her. Obey her every wish and treat her like a queen. Lily was so happy. Weeks went by, and every other day Lily served specially treated food to her mother in law. She obeyed her mother in law and treated her like her own mother. After 6 months had passed, the whole household had changed. Everyone changed. Lily had practiced controlling her temper so much that she found that she almost never got mad or upset. She had not an argument that she almost never got mad or upset. She had not had an argument with her mother-in-law in 6 months because she now seemed much kinder and easier to get along with. The mother-in-law attitude towards Lily changed also, and she began to love Lily, her own daughter. She kept telling friends and relatives that Lily was the best daughter-in-law one could ever find. Her mother-in-law telling. Lily and her mother-in-law were now treating each other like a real mother and daughter. Lily's husband was very happy to see what was happening in their home. One day Lily came to see Mr. Honk and asked for his help again. She said, "Dear Mr. Honk, please help me to keep the poison from killing my mother-in-law. Please help me. She changed into such a nice woman and I love her like my own mother. I do not want her to die because of the poison I gave her." Mr. Honk smiled and nabbed his head. "Lily, there is nothing to worry about. I never gave you any poison. The herbs I gave you were vitamins to improve her health. The only poison was in your mind and your attitude towards her. But that has been all washed away by the love which you gave her. So, have you realized that how you treat others is exactly how they will treat you? There is a wise Chinese saying, the person who loves others will also be loved in return. So, this is the story love, how she was formed. If you look at the something in a positive way, we will get the positive opinion. Friends, this is a very, very enough to. I would like to tell something about this is a very useful story for you, friends. That's why you have to be positive. I am hope so, my friend, dear students. Try to be positive. Think in a positive way. Think about your friends.
leave, select a good peer group, a positive thinkers, move with them as a positive people, and always use a better positive body language to change your attitude. Our attitude is our mind. In mind, we think of like a daily story. So feel always in a positive. Have a right perspective about a good opinion of future. So hope you will change your positive attitude. Here I would like to mention here one more positive thinking effort. You one shoe selling company sent their representative outside to promote their business. So one they did a survey. Shoe selling one representative give a positive report, one other representative give a negative report. Here in the locality, the negative thinking person, here is nobody is not wearing shoe. There is no scope to improve our business. Okay, this is a negative thinking way. The same way the survey was done by same company did by other positive thinking person. The person gave a report. Here is a lot of scope to improve our business. To produce the shoes according to their financial status. The people are here some they are below middle class and poor people. So if we give low cost product, the people will receive much. We have a lot of business. How it is thinking? The positive thinking is in our mind itself. So how we behave, the others behave with us. Think of it. I wish the students, I wish you very positive way. I think so. You might have understand. You think the positive. I would like to change my attitude. You always think of it. You change. You always think in a 44 days. You will acquire the positive attitude. I hope so. This is enough for today. Thank you very much for listening to me patiently.